Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trading philosophy, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
Any good strategy will say, okay, we recognize that most of the time there's just not an opportunity to really advance your account. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, but the real opportunity comes about 20% of the time. Those are the medium and outsized winners. Those are the 1 1/4, 1 1/2 standard deviation winners. Most of the time that standard deviation is going to be a sideways move. There's just nothing you can do with it. If you look at the expected move over a long period of time, and we looked at this in previous presentations, the vast majority of moves are somewhere around expected move, a little bit above, a little bit below, but about 20% of them are exceeding the expected move by a whole standard deviation or more. Those are the ones that we're waiting for. So most of the time, we are just going sideways, and we accept it. We are what a lot of traders say, having skin in the game. That if we weren't there with skin in the game, willing to take those small wins, small losses that offset each other, we would never be in position to get those big moves. That is why we're there. All right? Makes sense? Hope it does. So this conditioning doesn't yield to argument. You have to let go of the whole apparatus, the prediction game, the conviction, the need to be vindicated. No patch, just one piece. This is how to let it go, all right? And most traders that come to our service, they find, even if they've had years of experience, I've had traders come in with 10, 20 years of experience saying, yeah, Ernie, I know all about options. I've been trading it for 30 years. And then I go over some just basic things about premium decay rate based on volatility, and they are like, wow, I've never seen that before. And I said, that's because you've been conditioned to look at the wrong thing. And after a while, they start moving into the strategy, the methodology, and it's really not until they've really embraced their routine, their daily routine, and that they can actually see what is the truth and what has been conditioned into you, the anti-truth. And at some point, they get this epiphany. They go, oh my God, it's been there right in front of me the whole time. Yet I built walls in front of it, and I have not been able to discern what is the truth from what is the baggage that I've been dealt, the things that have, the veil that has been put over my face. And the only way you're going to see that is through that discipline, through that routine, through that continuous improvement process, so that you can measure, because there's a lot of noise out there, and your job is to pick out that signal from that noise. And that's an incredibly difficult thing to do. I had a mentor once say to me that trading is the hardest way to make easy money. But it's not until you go through the hardship and the training and the discipline and the conditioning that you can start recognizing where that signal is. And it takes time.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.